In order to do a change image, you really have to upload your replacement image first. So you do that by using the normal create a card process. Okay, I went into my directory and I've selected the file that I'm going to use to replace the first one, and I'll upload that now. Okay, it uploaded and it's now in my space, kind of next to the one that I had originally put up there. Now I want to use this one to replace the one that I have on the card that I just submitted. Okay, I go back over to my manage card space, and now I know I have my new image in the upload area, so let's hit this change image link. It brings up the card image detailed page, and here you can click on the change image right below the original image. This brings up a little pop-up window where you can select a card from your upload space. I'll select the new one, and you can see it popped in and replaced the one that I had there originally. That looks good. I don't want any other changes. I can just hit save change. And there it is. It replaced the original image. Now, you really got to be careful with this change image too. Just like the inside verse, you can make a mistake. But more importantly, the really reason that you want to do this change image is mostly if you find some errors on your front of your card, like a spelling error or some kind of issue with the graphics itself. It's not something you want to really use unless you're trying to do something that can correct a mistake in more cases than not.